All right. Let's take it on the water. What do you say? So I've got one motor coming down, hooked up to one battery, and another one coming up and hooking down to another battery. I have another third battery as a backup. I got both my motor controls. We're gonna test each motor. Okay, so that one's good. All right, now let's test the other motor. All right, so that one's good. And we are ready to roll.
Ready?
This is what it's all about. All right, so this is the second time of the summer, taking it out. First time with the fixed transom.
Yes.
So hopefully she doesn't rip off and we're stranded. You know?
Find out.
All right, well, let's get that canopy up. I'm trying to get a little bit of shade, you know what I mean? All right. All right, we got the canopy up. It's an 8x8. And
It flows away like a helicopter.
yeah, that might happen, but whatever. We're living life on the edge.
That's it.
Yeah, well, we're gonna do the same today. We're finally on the water.
Yeah.
Look at that hair, girl. Look at that hair.
I know, I got
We're gonna do some swimming soon. Well, the kids are. It is, right?
Beautiful.
Motor so far, the transom's solid as a rock.
Perfect little weather.
Almost no breeze, very little breeze.
Very, very little thing.
It's not obnoxiously hot though out here today, like it normally has been in New Jersey. Oh wow, look, there's a guy out there on his boat. Look at that, hanging out over there.
Over there.
That's an island, and then that is
Yeah, I'm
also
looking
an
at that
island.
pontoon.
Doesn't look
boat
like
over
it from
there.
here.
He's got no mo- that-
All right, so we are just hanging out. We dropped the anchor. Jules gonna do some swimming. Got the steps down for her. We're gonna try to get the drone up in the air and get some shots. What do you think, Jess? Think we can get the drone up in the air?
Absolutely.
Let's give it a shot. What do you think, Pops? Oh, okay. Well, we couldn't get the drone up in the air because I don't know, I couldn't connect to it for whatever reason. So I contemplated throwing it in the water because I was so annoyed. But we're just gonna drive around for the rest of the night instead. Let's get both motors in 4. I have them poorly labeled, so I know how fast I'm going. And then this indicates that I'm going straight.
Wake in the front over here.
But yeah, we're just cruising along, going real slow. I don't really run these in 5 because I can overheat the motors that way. I remember when I used to have that on the canoe. Huh?
When they're down there.
Believe it or not, they'll be hot when I pull this thing out. You gonna beep the horn? Go ahead, beep the horn. Doesn't have a horn. No! I need that there. It's holding on for dear life, that tape. Ah, it's done now. All right, no big deal.
Video, but it's really.
All right, well, we've been out here for about an hour. I'm really bummed that I couldn't get the old drone working, but there is a lot of improvement along the coast here.
It takes a bunch of pictures and it makes it.
And it's a beautiful night. There's almost no breeze. I mean, there's a little bit of a breeze, but it's nothing crazy. And we're just putting along here, and we're just saying hi to the people that go on by. And yeah, a lot. I would cover this, but I kind of custom made it, so I don't know. Yeah, I know, right? Well, it's a different day now, and we were able to get the drone back up in the air. I was having an issue where I couldn't figure out the connection between the controller and the iPad, so I could see the screen. But figured it out, took care of it. I got some pretty sweet shots, so check them out. I got that sunset. Pretty gnarly. until next time, keep on boating.